Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Roy Codes. Today I am recording my first video, so let us begin. As you all know, VS Code is the widely used text editor and I am using it myself from last 3 years now. And what has made me stick to this editor? Well, themes and plugins that make development easier. And of course this is a personal preference. So today we are going to see what extensions I use to make VS Code look cool. The first one is OneDark Pro. I have been using this theme for a while now and I am impressed by the feel of it. There are a lot of themes out there, but this is the one I prefer now. Before this, I was using Dracula Official, which is also great, but this is the one I like more now. The next one is Prettier. Prettier is a code formatter, and if you are a web developer, you might have heard someone say that formatting of your code isn't that good. Well, Prettier comes to rescue. This is an extension which will format your file when you save it. You can provide a custom config file if you want. I used to format my code manually when I started out, but now I use this. It saves a lot of time, believe me. The next one is Material Icon theme. Well, this one's just for looks. I like the icon theme they provide. So yeah, moving on to the next extension we have, that is to do highlight. This extension I must say is very useful if you are like me. When I get busy, I tend to forget things which are very minute and can be critical to project implementation. So what I do is write to-dos in comments, and what this extension does is highlights those to-dos. So when I look over the comments next time, I know that I have to do these things. Well guys, this is it. These are the themes and extensions that I use frequently. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more. See you in the next video. Bye bye.